Hello, this is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a new listing. We have a 2021 Grady-White 307 Freedom sitting here at MarineMax Stuart. Overall, the boat is in really nice shape. We have the light gray hull side, windlass anchor, nice deep dead rise that Grady-White is well known for. Both hull sides are in really nice shape, both port and starboard. You have your port side dive door, and then all powered with Yamaha 300s with joystick control. We have about 450 hours on these. All service is up to date with records that can be shown. We'll hop on board, go through a few of the features. She has plenty of factory and aftermarket equipment. Here along the back, we're powered with twin Yamaha 300s, electronic steering, 455 hours. Again, all service is up to date. Here along the transom, we have actually removable rod holders, which are pretty cool for your fishing days. Freshwater washdown, nice entry into the cockpit. Electronic sunshade up above for the cockpit, and then custom rod holders mounted above with outriggers. We have Mate Series cup rod holders, 3 of them all the way across. Big fish box along the transom, pull out bench seat. You can see all the upholstery is in nice shape. One thing Grady does really well is for a family dual console that has a lot of shade and comfort. You also have a pretty spacious cockpit for your fishing days. Rod holders, live wells, fish box, everything you need. You have the power seat on the port side. Extended as a nice lounge, port side dive door, summer kitchen, then electric grill, refrigerator, sink, big fiberglass hardtop. Here at the helm, you have nice electronics, big Garmin screen, Yamaha gauge. There's your joystick and throttles as well. Again, all the upholstery is in nice shape, nice diamond stitching on both the port and starboard seats. Down into the port side console, you have a head, sink, and lots of storage. Walking up to the bow, you're greeted with really spacious bow seats, nice loungers facing forward, windlass anchor up front. Again, this is the 2021 Grady 307 Freedom. My name is Brian McGlenn. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I can be reached on my cell to answer any questions, 561-635-6811. Thank you for watching.